Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for artifacts industry. So here let's assume that I have an antique collection store. So to promote the same, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using Interact. You can use any other application as well. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for artifacts industry. So here let's assume that I have an antique collection store, and to promote my store, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I will have to integrate both of these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for artifacts industry. So now moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my antique store by using Facebook lead ads. So here as my trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. Here it is. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive the lead, then this workflow is automatically going to run. So I'm selecting it. So here as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to these Facebook leads, so in my action window, I'm going to use Interact to send the WhatsApp message. Here it is. And the action event will be to send WhatsApp template message. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event, here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So now to do this, firstly I have to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And to add a new connection, I will click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, as I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of these tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I have created for my antique store along with the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here firstly I will take you to my Facebook page. So this is the page that I've created for my store by the name of Antiques Collection. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my page as Antiques Collection. Here it is. So as I've selected my page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, this is the lead gen form that I've created. So here this is how the form looks like. So this lead ads form name is Antiques Collection 1. So here I've selected my page as Antiques Collection and the lead gen form that is Antiques Collection 1. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that the lead gen form that is associated with my page is Antiques Collection 1. So here in Pabbly Connect, I've selected the same. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page, and here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps, and in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here firstly, I'm going to select my page. So as my page name is Antiques Collection, so here in Meta for Developers, I'm going to search for my page as Antiques Collection. Here it is. And now I've selected the form as well, that is by the name of Antiques Collection 1. So here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this is how the form looks like, and I've added the details in the field of full name, phone number and email. So here I'm going to click on Next. And now I'm going to click on Submit. So it says, thanks, you're all set. I'm closing this. It says your test lead has been sent. That means this test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I will take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I've received a response. Here's the full name, phone number, email, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, it will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect automatically. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to these Facebook leads. So here as I have captured the test lead, so now I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this test lead. So here firstly I have to build a connection between Interact and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Connect. And now I will add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the secret key. And this here is the instruction given. So read it carefully. I will take you to my Interact account. Here I will go to my profile, and in my profile I will go to developer setting, and this here is the secret key. So I'm going to copy the same, and here in Pabbly Connect I will paste it and click on save. So here you can see that the connection has been established between Interact and Pabbly Connect. So now moving to these fields. Here firstly I will take you to the response that I have received. So this here is the phone number that I have received from the response. So as this phone number follows the proper format, so I'm going to map it from the response that I have received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to map the full phone number. It follows the proper format, so I have mapped in the full phone number field. Now moving to template code name and the language code. For this I will take you to my Interact account once again. So this here is the template which I have created. So here the language is English. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to mention the language code for English as EN. Once this is done, now I need to give the template code name. So here in Interact, in this URL, this here is the template code. So I'm going to copy the same, and now in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. So here in Interact, the body goes as, Dear, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will connect you within 2 hours. You can check out our website abc@pabblytudes.com to know more about our services. Regards, marketing team. So this here is the WhatsApp message which I wish to send to the Facebook leads. So here after Dear, this is a variable. So here I want to mention the name of the lead that I will receive. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the response will be received. So this here is a body variable which will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So here in Pabbly Connect, scrolling down, so here in body variable values, as I've mentioned that after Dear, I want to mention the name of the lead. So here I'm going to map the name of the lead. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as the details are mapped over here, so I'm going to scroll down and click on the Save and Send test request. So here I've received the response, and this is a positive response. Now I will show you the WhatsApp message. So this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So here you can see that after Dear, there is the name, this is the body, and this here is the regards. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the Facebook lead. So this integration and automation is a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Interact.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.